you. Hello guys, ayan. Nilalagnat si Inday. On off my fever, and then cough, and running nose. Or because maybe have a winter. Too much headache. Oh my god, very headache, paining all in the body. That's why I did not make download video. I'm quite busy. Today's already 3 days. But I already take a medicine. Hopefully, God, I'm okay na soon. It's very difficult because my husband also is struggling. He's the one taking care of us. Ay naku, ikapoy. Walay taste imong pagkaon. Just be good guys, be healthy. If you are sick, it's very difficult. Laban-laban. Grabe. Makabuang if you are sick. Thank you so much.